few people have said that WordPress is not necessarily the most secure platform. Do you need to upgrade it often, or what would you?
Oh, look, I'd recommend that you'd probably have a quarterly maintenance program with your developer or your agency, whoever you're using, if you're not too sure, because sometimes if you aren't familiar with updating and things like that, you can break things sometimes. Sometimes plugins decide to not like each other and all that sort of stuff.
Leave it to the specialists, leave it to the experts.
And from a security perspective, there's many plugins that you can put on the WordPress site to keep it secure, so you can put rules in there and set it up and integrate the way that you want to be flagged on certain things. Also, I recommend not using your URL/WP-admin as your login. We generally will change that to a bit of gobbledygook. And just put some extra measures on your logins.
Yeah.
So generally safe.